the soup. I'm in the loop, I'm out of ways. Oh, I stay out the way. Got another slide on me, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out here choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, might be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know the key, I'm always for the little ones.
It's always easier to tell you lies. Let the truth be your surprise. You see me as Mr. Right. Word of advice, change your mind, cause you're blind. Might as well close your eyes. If you open them, you'll cry, cause you see through my disguise.
Hey guys, it's Saturday, January 28th. It's 9:39 in the morning. Like, I'm not even joking right now. But last night, I just came to the conclusion that I was finally going to film a weekend reset this week. Because I've been wanting to do it for a little minute, but I've just been putting it off. But today just feels like the right day. I'm so tired. I haven't officially told y'all, but I'm a cheerleader. And I just found out I'm going to be a captain next year. So excited. But I had a game last night. And I took my hair out. So sleepy. But today I'm going to focus on cleaning my room and washing my clothes. It's like every week just stuff just accumulates on my floor, whether it's shoes, clothes, books. Like, it's just all over the place. I low-key want to go to the grocery store either today or tomorrow, but I don't know if that's going to happen. First thing I need to do is clear my sheets, because I'm looking at about 4 or 5 pair of shoes on the floor right now. So yeah, let's get into it.
Suicide door, brand new bag. College girls, give a nigga head in my ride. Bust our life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, the bitch they hate, and you can't miss what you know. Hey, off the juice, Cody got me tripping. Got the coupe, walker roof is missing. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping. Boys got some 60s in my bed. Feel like people are talking on no bed. If you feel no got the tears, CVS. Got a plan, I'll split a deal off the stairs. All this money when I grew up, I had nothing. Feel backstab to my whole life, it's disgusting. Can't believe I gotta thank God that I'm living comfortably. And checks I don't believe, but she said she down with me. Burn some bridges and I let the fire light the way. Kicking my feet up, left the PJs on a PJ. Yeah, I'm a big dog and I walk around with no leash. I got water on me, yeah, everything on Fiji.
Hey y'all, time check. It is 10:19. I put one load of clothes in. I got some progress. I got most of the stuff up off my floor. Now I'm about to put these clothes up. I just put them in this basket because I don't think I had enough space in my drawers. Yo, I have too many t-shirts, like graphic t-shirts. It's ridiculous.
Suicide door, brand new bag. College girls, give a nigga head in my ride. Bust our life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, the bitch they hate, and you can't miss what you never had. Hey, off the juice, Cody got me tripping. Got the coupe, walker roof is missing. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping. All of the stuff, pick up doors, tip it walls, hey. Add up off, then it does, then it's buzz, hey. I was 15, I took codeine with my dog, hey. Did it break us, take a methazine, and I feel nauseous. Put up a stick and I hop on a plane, still in my water wings. Shit is so risky, I gotta be gifted, cause new first been tight. I remember for 50, I could go back empty, I knew I was stuck to the game. Loyal man, no never change. I'm never gonna go get the grain. that grave. Zany boss, suicide door, brand new bag.
How do people do that? Anyways, good morning, guys. It is 19. It's 9:22. And why is my camera not focusing? What's really tea? I look crazy. But today, I'm going to the gym with my sisters and my mother. I don't know if we're going somewhere after that, but I know when I come home, I need to wash my hair. And yesterday, I finished cleaning my room. I was going to show y'all, but I wanted to show y'all when I was like completely done. So I changed my bed and I vacuumed my floor, dusted my furniture. But I wanted to put together my perfume holder. And then after I put that together, I'm going to show you guys the whole room because it's really cute. My comforter is so cute to me. But to be honest, I'm excited for this gym trip because I've never been to the gym. I always just work out either in my room or in the living room doing cardio or like stretching or something.
Looking me dead in my eyes, I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect, all of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect, I used to hand out CDs before they were blind. Whoa, she love me so much, it seem like she biased. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live at the high. Ay. 4L step team, stepping on shit till it's quiet. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the bank, telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the necklace of Frank. Purr. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Do it. Breaking and bending the spine. Let's do it. I hate a privileged rapper that ain't had a hit since he signed. Do it. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hey y'all, so right now it is 12:01. I came home, I took a shower, and now I'm about to put together this cosmetic storage thing that I was telling you about earlier that I want to put my perfume on. Where's my scissors? I want to put this together and I want to stain my comforter because it is all wrinkled. Like, it's a mess. I didn't expect it to be that wrinkled because it was new. Like, it just came out the thing, but it was wrinkled. I don't think that this is going to be too difficult. But I'm trying to put this together in a hurry because I'm going out with my brother. He's supposed to come get me. And we're getting something to eat because the only thing I ate was my probiotic gummy and this trail mix bar that I showed y'all earlier. But I had so much fun at the gym. It was nice to get a little sweat on because that's really all I go for is cardio because I want to build up my stamina, especially because I cheer and you know you can't be tired. We do that in practice, but it's good to also do it outside of school. And then being a captain next year, that's just going to be even worse. So you really do need to have that stamina. Alright, enough of the chit chat. Let me hurry up and put this together.
Still young You off the damn frame. Remember that last time I made you miss your damn plane. Remember that last time I wet your down with champagne. Remember that? And I know I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather.
Okay guys, so I just got finished steaming my bed and put my perfume thing together. Here goes the comforter. It's still wrinkled, so imagine how it looked before. But this is just so cute to me. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I don't know how long I've been wanting to do that to my bed. Like, get a new comforter, specifically white with the pillows. Like, yeah! But here goes the perfume holder. This is so cute as well. Y'all saw me like redoing a couple levels because it just wasn't, the heights wasn't hiding, like they wasn't going together. But it is currently 7:43. I did majority of my homework while I was gone, but I still need to wash my hair, so I'm gonna take my earrings out and soak them, let those clean while I'm washing my hair. So let's get straight into that.
Hey, Homer hanging on my neck. The bracelet matches a set. My brother name is $10. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprinters to Quebec. Cherie, où est mon bec? They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set. You know I gotta bring the G block. You know I gotta bring the D block, cause you know how sticky it get. Hey. 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 She want me to play with that cat. Hey. She love how I make it all wet. Hey. You know how sticky it get. Hey. Hey yo, Eric, bring them girls to the stage.
Y'all, this is the first time I use this. It's good. It just don't get real hot. And I never did this before.
It's cause somebody's getting paid and free big slime out the cage. And shorty tried to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed. Cause every song that I made is ringing like I got engaged. But my guys I wouldn't trade, ay. From the cradle to the grave, ay. Gordo got me on a wave, ay. And got me on a wave, ay. Couple hits, now you brave. Wait, you niggas better behave.
I just been in jail with a bar, could've bought no.
She texts me, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, but how the fuck can you hate me? What you following me for? So girl, what you singing for?
What? All that pumping up your chest, what? All that talk about the best, what? You know how sticky it gets. If I'm with 2 of them, then it's a threesome. If she alone, you know she a freak one. If it's an escort, it's a police one. King of the hill, you know it's a steep.
Hey guys, it is currently 10:13 and I am honestly so happy to say that I have done majority of what I wanted to do in this video. Like, I made my bed. I attempted to steam it. It didn't really work, but at least I can say I tried, right? Okay. I put together my perfume stand. Y'all, I'm so in love with this. Like, it is so pretty. And this is my favorite side, like, duh. But did that, washed my hair, went to the gym. Like, it couldn't have been a better weekend. So for the rest of the night, I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna put my earrings back in because I'm done washing and blow drying my hair. I actually need to finish some homework and I'm currently on the phone with my friends. We just laughing it up for real. But I'm probably about to go downstairs and get some ice cream and finish my homework because that's what I need to do. And speaking of homework, I'm gonna be tired tomorrow because I have a game tomorrow and Tuesday. Like, y'all pray for me. About to drink a whole bunch of tea. But yeah, by the time y'all see this, it's clearly not going to be Sunday anymore. So I hope y'all have a good day, good rest of y'all week, whatever day it is. Hope y'all loving it. Hope it'll treat y'all right. I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.